For Sunday, May 25, 2025. Severe thunderstorm watch issued until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of far northwest Arkansas, southern Kansas, far southwest Missouri and northern Oklahoma. Thunderstorm coverage is expected to increase tonight, with steep mid-level lapse rates and strong vertical shear will support the potential for large to very large hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Isolated severe damaging gusts up to 70 miles per hour are also possible, particularly across southwestern Kansas where a potential Boeing segment may move into the region from the northwest.